Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment from an NZD CAD perspective? Now, if you remember in the last analysis, after this M formation, what did we want to see? We wanted to see the market make a move to the upside and start this nice retracement. Now, why did we want to see the market make this move? First of all, because we had the M as we just said. Second of all, because from a weekly perspective, we do have some pretty strong support at this area. Now, from a daily perspective, what we can see is that at the moment, this retracement was way stronger than what we expected. And even if, yes, the market is currently facing this resistance, we still don't know if we will see a proper rejection of it. Now, if you want to measure a retracement in the market, what are you supposed to be doing? Taking your Fibonacci from the high to the low of the impulse. And what we can see is that at the moment the market is facing the 0.786, so the last possible Fibonacci retracement level. So from here there are two possible options. Now at the moment, from a 4-hour perspective as well, everything is still bullish, so there is no bearish sign yet for a continuation to the downside, for a possible trading opportunity to the downside. So if you capitalize on the move to the upside, good job. But if you want to be capitalizing on the move to the downside, it's very important now to monitor what will go on from a 4-hour perspective and also daily perspective, because everything is still bullish. If the market, there are two possible options. If everything will remain bullish like this, then the market will reach the previous high. And if the market does something like this and reaches the previous high, what do you expect? You expect an inverted head and shoulders and continuation to the upside. So after this retracement, what we will be doing with students, we will be monitoring price action inside of this area for a possible longing opportunity on this pair if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries. On the other side, there is the second option, that today the market manages to aggressively, or tomorrow aggressively reject this area, but anyway to not close above this last resistance level that the market is facing, because if also this one breaks, then we have to be looking for possible longing opportunities. So at the moment, it seems like the higher probabilities will be for the market to break this zone. If that will actually happen, then on the retracement back inside of here, what we will be doing. Now, first of all, let's go and see what we have from a COT perspective. So what hedge funds are doing at the moment from a CAD point of view, because it's definitely interesting and I want to show you. So from a CAD perspective, what we can see with the last reports is that hedge funds have continued to add many shorts from a CAD point of view. In fact, net positions are pretty bearish. We went from the 14K that we had here all the way down to minus 32K. So from having longs outweighing shorts to having shorts outweighing longs from a CAD point of view, meaning that CAD is getting pretty weak. So NZD CAD can make the move to the upside, and from an NZD perspective, NZD is getting stronger as well. So if the market will manage to break this area on the retest, we can be looking for potential longing opportunities if we will get proper price action from a 4-hour perspective. So with students, we will be waiting first for the market to shift from a 4-hour bearish market to a 4-hour bullish market, and then waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries for a nice longing opportunity if we will first see the break, or if from here we will see the market clearly show a nice rejection to the downside and a shift from a bullish market to a bearish market as we are speaking basically from a 4-hour perspective, then we will be monitoring for a possible shorting opportunity if on the 4-hour we will see our rules satisfied. So at the moment, this is the decision point, and we will have to see and as usual react to what the market is showing us and not try to predict. Always react, don't try to predict. If the resistance will hold, we can be looking for shorts. If it will break, we have to be looking for longs on the retest. Obviously, if on the 4 hours, we will see proper confirmations. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.